My mother, birth and immediate family. The late Virginia Ciarùnji Joka was born around 1929 in Kadira village in Eporori, present-day Mbere North. She was a daughter to the late Nyagamuru Wakihiga and late Jerusha Mugwe. She was also second born in a family of four. The late Lydia Joro Mushoge, Jennifer Mushoki, and late Josephine Gashia. She attended school in her youth years and studied up to second grade, grasping knowledge which she used later in her business life. Marriage and family life. Mom, Virginia, met lover of life, Bill and Joka Makindi. She married her in a customary wedding in 1950. In 1955, they solemnized their vows at SK Church, Kanyambora, where they were blessed with 9 children, and namely Moses Nyaga, the late Monica Modhoni, Honorable J.B. Justin Muturi, Obadiah Njeru, Lami Kireri, Stephen Njeru, the late Abel Karaoke, Kezia Wanjira, and Marcel Peterson Kenywa. She also lived with her visually challenged niece, Jelena Banya, since the 1950s, in keeping with her great character of selfless mother to all, just not to our own. She was mother-in-law to late Jedida Munyaga Nyaga, Emilio Kuria, Lucy Wanjiro Muturi, Anit Igoki Obadia, the late Agnes Gina Ireri, Paulina Wanyaga Ireri, Tabitha Ngai Njeru, Dixon Jagi, and Tabitha Mwende Kenywa. Virginia, Mama, was grandmother to many, and among them, Kagendo, Monene Bidan, Veronica, Stanley, Purity, Barbara, Karemi, Hilda, Christian, Leslie, Bianca, Brian, Yvonne, Casti, Rachel, Beatrice, Mudanje, Arnold, Joka, Nambidoka, Mwenda, Kendi, Louis, Roxanne, Moremi, Lenis, Eric, Elvis, Etana, and Karaoke. She was a great-grandmother to 27 great-grandchildren and was blessed with a big extended family. Work and social life. She was never in a formal employment, but she was an active farmer and a businesswoman. She worked tirelessly to keep her family fed and sustain her children in school. She traded in farm produce from local markets to the famous Marikiti Wakulima Market in Nairobi. This and her vast traveling history gave her much insight and knowledge and grew her social skills immeasurably. Anyone who met Mom at home and beyond would have easily described her as generous, kind, sociable, hilarious, caring, and protector of her family and family name. Ben Carson would have described her as blessed hands. Christian life. Meeting Biden was the turning point in her religious life. She was introduced to Christianity, was baptized and confirmed in the Anglican Church of Kenya. Till her demise, she was active member of Mothers Union at SEK St. John's Apostle Kanyambora Church. She has always spoke a word of blessing, insisted on prayers and reading the word of God. Whenever she had a visitor, a true Christian soldier. Illness and resting. Virginia enjoyed good health until 2008, when she slipped and fell, hurting her hip bone. She was treated at Chogoria Mission Hospital, and from then was using walking aids to move. She was still strong in her pain and wasn't strong in August 2017, when she got weaker and less mobile. She has been on home therapy and attending regular clinics in Nairobi. On Thursday, 24th of May, she went for normal clinic checkup in Nairobi, but later developed complications after arriving home. On Friday, 25th May 2018, she was rushed to Tenri Hospital in Embu for emergency observation, where she was diagnosed with severe chest infection. Her treatment began, and she was reporting well. On Saturday afternoon, she got more complications and further, and Lord God rested her. She rested with a content heart, a clear mind, a smile on her face. Among her last words to us were, "Nemokenu mono," which means, "I'm very happy." Mom, my mind still talks to you. My heart is still looking for you. My soul knows you are at peace. I miss you forever. Farewell, Mom. Thank you.